Business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize helping you make an extra income. Guys, I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate the support, whether you are a subscriber or not, somebody watching. I appreciate all of you guys. All right, so I just number one want to give you guys a pat on the back for doing your research and actually wanting to improve yourself. That is a big thing, wanting to improve yourself, because a lot of people, they want to be stagnant. And one thing I've realized about being stagnant is it's comfortable, but being comfortable, it usually just leads to procrastination and also never getting to the ultimate goal that you want to reach, guys. So make sure that you guys know exactly where you want to go and how you want to get there. Plan and make sure that the goals are in alignment with what you want and your obligations. All right, so we are talking about something today that I can really relate to. I've done this for I've done drop shipping. That was my first try on making money was drop shipping, and I did drop shipping in 2016 to 2018. And I made about, I would say about $45,000 in a 3-month time frame. All right, and it was something that was very beneficial at first until I realized the logistics behind everything, and that's what we're gonna go over today. So if you are somebody that is looking to find a way to make money, right? You have a job, but the job income is not enough, and you're just trying to figure out what's the next step. How can I take it to the next level? You have to understand that you're going to need people that are going to help you, okay? You're going to need people that are going to help you, because when we start to try and do these things on our own and we do research and we're looking at videos and trying to find different ways to strategize to make different incomes, we have to just rely on ourselves most of the time. Just rely on yourself, and that relies on self-motivation. Self-motivation is great, and it's something that certain people do possess. But when it comes to self-motivation, there's going to be times when you don't have it. There's going to be times when you don't want to get up out the bed, or you don't want to get on the laptop, or you don't want to put the work in because you're exhausted. And you have to find a way to get people that are going to have the same like-mindedness as you, right? Because if you go and talk to your friends right now about the research you're doing right now on YouTube, most of them don't care. They don't care because it's not in their interest, and that's okay. But you want to surround yourself around like-minded people, and that is, I think, one of the biggest keys to becoming financially free is making sure you surround yourself around other financially free people. They rub off on you, and they usually give you best practices. Speaking of that, that's exactly why we have our Discord community that we just recently launched. The link is below. We have a community full of entrepreneurs, people that flip phones, people that sell devices wholesale, sell products wholesale. We have phone flipping buyers in there as well. We have community conference calls every single week. We have 2. We have a plan of attack where we literally sit down on a conference call with other entrepreneurs, and we all write down our plans of how we're going to accomplish this week, what we have set, and how we're going to make the goals that we want to make and reach them, right? How are we going to, what is the structure that we're going to use to propel ourselves to the next level? And then we meet the next Sunday and hold each other accountable on the results that we got. So it's all about really connecting and building a network of people that are like-minded so that we can help each other push each other forward further. So definitely check out the Discord. It is the Educatedhustler Discord, powered by 4 Hustlers only. So definitely check it out below. A lot of gems in there, and I'm very excited. All right. Now, when it comes to drop shipping, guys, I drop shipped from around 2016 to 2018, and it was a really good experience. But I do get a lot of questions often about what should I drop ship, Brandon, and what is your intake on drop shipping? And honestly, I usually don't really touch on the drop shipping aspect, because to me, I see a lot of people gearing promotions and gearing YouTube videos towards these types of subjects, and I guess because they're trending. You have to understand, drop shipping essentially is you using a cheat code. That's really what it is. It's you using a cheat code. It's you actually setting up a platform and then promoting a product that you don't own, but promoting that product because you can go ahead to a distributor and have that distributor then ship the product to that person, right? And it makes sense. It does. It makes complete sense. But I will tell you guys that the biggest problem when it comes to drop shipping is you understanding that you are going to have to be liable for, number one, customer service problems, okay? Customer retention, and also the shipping delays. All right, so prime example, if you were to drop ship a Type-C adapter, okay? Type-C adapters, right? We have these in the USA on IamHustlersMindset.com, by the way, so you don't even have to drop ship, get it sent to you in 2 days. But let's say you wanted to go on AliExpress and you wanted to buy these and drop ship. The issue I personally was running into, because I'm only going to speak on my personal experiences, is me actually purchasing these for the customers, putting their address in, having the device sent to them, okay? And this is all automated on Shopify. What I would see is they would purchase it, and then probably 7 days later, I would have a canceled order. And me having that canceled order, it made me really understand the importance of customer loyalty, but also my customer service. I don't really want to say I blame them, because if I ordered a product May 1st and then I get it on, it starts being shipped, or I get a tracking number on June 1st, that's a huge problem. Now, let's say that I'm being dramatic, right? Let's say that it's never that long, Brandon. Let's say it's only 2 weeks. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna tell you the problem that a lot of people are having when it comes to drop shipping that they're not telling you. A lot of problems people are having is that people are canceling. So a lot of these people that are on the internet showing you guys fake numbers and giving you guys fake success stories and fake promotions saying that they made $200,000 from drop shipping, all of that stuff is cloudy. It's propaganda. It's all for looks, right? Because you have to understand how many customers actually say, hey, you know what, I can actually get this at Walmart, and you've about to take 10 weeks to ship me this. I can go ahead and get it somewhere else, maybe pay a little bit more, but I can still get it faster. It's like that customer retention and the chargeback aspect is one of the hardest things people are dealing with nowadays. Because when somebody gets a chargeback, you gotta understand, it's not like it's okay, well, maybe they might take the money out of my bank. They take the money right out your bank account. Let's say you sell 50 of these at $10, okay? And let's say they all sell and you're drop shipping them all from AliExpress. The issue that I was having, guys, is that, okay, I got $500 wired to my account, but then when customers start to complain and start to basically request a refund, the money's being taken out of my bank account, whether it's in there or not. So when I first started, once I got out of high school, yes, I had low funds at the time. So if I was getting paid, that money was coming out of my paycheck, because I probably spent the $500 that I actually obtained from literally drop shipping. And I think that is one of the biggest worries that I had is the customer chargeback aspect. And I don't see a lot of videos really talking about it. And if they do, they're skating around it. When you're drop shipping, you're gonna have chargeback. So why, after making all the money I did with drop shipping, did I quit? The reason I quit is because I understood that my customer was way more important than my profit. I'll say that again. I understood that my customer was more important than my profit. Because when I give my customer great customer service and I do great business with my customer, I am going to retain that customer, which means I'll get more sales. I'll get more word of mouth sales. I'll get more people that are actually going to my site and buying again. Vice versa, me doing a drop shipping business where I'm being lazy, because I do think drop shipping is a form of being lazy. I'll explain to you why later. But instead of me sitting there drop shipping and selling a product I don't own and having pissed off customers that are leaving bad reviews or just not happy with the product because I didn't even inspect it. All I'm doing is using the software on Shopify to sit there and send you products because I was so hungry for money. At the end of the day, I do understand we all need to live and we all need to survive and we all need to make money, right? I do understand that. I'm not blind to it. I get it. It's all about the integrity with business. And a lot of people that just sell online, I don't think they'll understand this, but speaking for somebody that has storefront, somebody that actually goes and meets with people, I'll say this, that people, customers, they're one of the most important aspects in your business. They come before the product because, see, mostly anything that you sell to anybody, they can get somewhere else, right? It's all about you, the person that puts their brand behind the product. What makes the customer want to buy the product? It's going to be your brand, and your brand can go with you everywhere. So if you're watching this and you're thinking about drop shipping, I urge you to do this. Do your homework, and I urge you to sit there and invest a little bit more money and a little bit more time and get the inventory on yourself. Now, it's a couple reasons why, but I'll say one of the biggest obvious ones that I tell all of my educated hustlers: no matter what, you got to make money work for you. And you're not going to make money work for you when you're taking shortcuts and you want to sit there and not have any inventory, which means you're not going to work hard enough. So, prime example, if I had AirPods, right? I have AirPods. And I know I spent, let's say, $100 on these AirPods, but they're physically with me. I have way more urgency to sell these rather than me actually having these in Taiwan and me not even paying for them yet, just waiting for somebody. And I understand, you want to be comfortable. You don't want to take that risk. And that's what I think separates great entrepreneurs and successful entrepreneurs from people that just fail at it. Because the entrepreneurs that I know, that I surround myself around, they take risks every day. And I feel like when it comes to the drop shipping aspect, it's a lot of people that want to do it because they're scared of taking that risk on themselves. But if you're scared to take a risk and believe in yourself, why the hell would I want to, why would I want to support you? Why would I want to support you? Why would I want to believe that you're going to be able to make some type of product or whatever I order from you benefit me if you don't believe in yourself? So when I get all these questions about drop shipping, I get all these questions about doing, not actually literally doing a business, but trying to perform like you are one, I look at it and I feel upset because I feel like, yo, man, if only you believed in yourself, if only you believed in yourself as much as you believe in these other YouTubers trying to tell you that they're making X, Y, and Z from drop shipping, you'll be fine. See, YouTube is a great platform for you to seek information, but it doesn't mean that you should retain everything that everybody says. You gotta pick that information and put it into yourself and put it into the right form that works for you. Now, drop shipping may work for you. You may be the person that doesn't want to hold any inventory, don't believe in yourself, and want to just, give customers that type of service. That's not me. You're never going to get me to tell you that. I'm never going to say, well, man, drop shipping could be great. It's not. Drop shipping is trash. Drop shipping is trash. I've seen about 10 people fail doing drop shipping, okay? And the reason I say 10 people, and it's not an astronomical amount, because I don't associate myself with a lot of people that drop ship because, listen, you don't believe in your damn self. You don't believe in acquiring assets. You believe in sitting there having an illusion as a storefront and then hoping that customers don't cancel on you once the shipping is a week. Let's just say the shipping isn't a week long. Let's say the shipping is 5 days. The shipping is 5 days. To me, that still doesn't matter because you still can't expect the quality. You still can't inspect exactly what that customer is going to get unless you get it sent to you first. The reason I stopped drop shipping is because I understood that it cost me way more money to sit there and do things halfway than it does when I sit there and actually gain connects to get products. If you don't know about me, I have wholesale products, I have wholesale stores, I have wholesale everything, okay? You can go to IamHustlersMindset.com right now and you can get products wholesale. But guess what? I didn't get these products wholesale by drop shipping, by sitting there trying to take a shortcut. I got it by actually going to manufacturers, talking to people, networking with people, and getting connections. And now that pays my bill. See, it's a difference. The drop shipping is not gonna work for you. I'm telling you this, I'm telling you, when you drop ship, let's say you're making $100,000 on one product on this, and you're drop shipping this, you're doing it for 2 years, making good on that. No, let's just say 1 year. Or let's say you made $100,000 in a month. Let's just say that you made $100,000 in a month. And I'm gonna ask you this question. This question is gonna tell me a lot about you. You made $100,000 in a month, right? Now, that's a lot of money in a month. You like, damn, like this product is lit. Now, let's say order comes in the next month, the first order the next month comes in, and you're like, all right, cool, drop shipping activated, right? But then that distributor or that factory goes out of business. And then you're like, damn, I gotta find another one. But that product isn't the same quality. Then it messes up your money. It messes up the longevity of your business. And that's the type of mindset that I have. Now, what would you do? Do you think that that is okay? Do you think that your customer deserves that? Do you think that your brand deserves that? And I understand a lot of people, they don't care about business. They don't care about business. They care about the shiny result that they feel like they imagine or they see in other people. They care about the destination. They don't care about the journey. They don't care about exactly what it takes, but instead what it makes. And you gotta understand, what it makes never lasts. Okay, it doesn't matter how much money I make this month, it's not gonna last. That money's gonna be gone. That money's gonna be gone. But see, the service and the memories and the customer service, the comfort I'm giving customers, the solutions that I'm fixing, that is gonna have people come back. So when it comes to drop shipping, I quit drop shipping because I understood that my customer was way more important than profit. And that's just something that I live by. That's why if you talk to anybody that works with me hand in hand, they will tell you that I'm somebody that has their back like a bra strap. And that is because I understand that they're way more important than any dollar. Okay, I don't look at people as dollar signs. I look at people as people, and I ain't gonna lie, that has been working very well for me. Very well for me. And again, don't crucify me, drop shipping experts and people that are in love with that route. I think that you guys are quite frankly lazy. I think that it is something that people do when they don't really want or understand business, because I don't want to be a corner boy. I want to be the connect. I want to be the plug. I think of things in longevity terms. Like, I don't want to like have to rely on anybody. So we're different. But if you are somebody that is looking to start a business and you want to start it the right way, definitely join the community in the Discord below. It's the first link below. Join that. Guys, go to I'mHustlersMindset.com. I have so many free things you guys can get on there, worksheets and things that will help you. And guys, I am ready for you guys to become educated hustlers. So make sure you subscribe. If you're subscribed already, I love you and I appreciate you. And we're gonna keep moving and grooving. All right. I'm not gonna let nobody catch y'all slipping like a transmission. I ain't. You know, I'm gonna make sure I have y'all back, and I'm gonna make sure I keep you guys informed. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.